Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can join a Discord server without the invitation link. The invitation link is basically something like that, if I do remember. So, for example, let's do this and invite people. And in order to join any server, you have to get this invitation link, which is pretty simple to get. But if you wanted to join some random server and you don't have it, it's invitation link, what you could do is basically you can go to explore public servers from here and search for some servers that are in here. It could also for example, join anyone. So for example, this one Valorant. Basically, you can just click on it and join Valorant server. So here we go, and have joined this server. We can actually, let's go for this. For what topics would you like to receive notification? Skip. Would you like to access our voice channels? Yes. Finish. So that's how you can actually join any random server. Now if you want to go to other servers, you can just go through, for example, your web, and then open any browser and just write Discord server, and you can just write next to it what the purpose of the server, for example, gaming server. And here you can search for lots of servers. So let's see here. So this is one of the servers. So there's All-Star, Apex Legends, King Legacy, Grand Quest Games. These bunch of servers that you can join, as you can see here. There's also other servers in other websites if you want them. These are less popular, but they're still good. As you can see all the details. So how many people are online, what's the purpose of this server, the keywords of it. Here's some quick description of it, and also you can check here the language of the server itself. So in order to join the server, you just click here and you give the access to Discord, and you will be joined in that server. So that was it with today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.